Alright, so the diagram is a little inaccurate in that it shows, I think somebody else also pointed this out, it shows these smaller cuts with a 3/32 drill bit on the lower corners of the fascia. Yes, there's nosy cat. That isn't the case, because if you look at fascia, well, I guess, you know what? No, this way. Haha. Hey, no. Alright, anyway. So these are the top with the 1/8 inch bit. It's probably more for these. So they're probably cut a little bit wider than they should be, because these indicate 1/8 inch drill bit. This cat doesn't know what he's doing. Get it down. Anyway, now the outline below shows a much wider slot. I don't know if you can see it. I just went ahead and used the same 1/8 inch drill bit only because these clips look the same as these on top. And there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This may be, oh no, that's the same size. And the kit comes with these snap-in retainers for these 4 corners. Anyway, so I'm going ahead and cutting these out. So there isn't one here. See, there's even an outline there for them, but there's nothing here. So I'm not cutting those. Another thing is I'm gonna go ahead and continue to use this guy that goes on the same handle as the razor blade. This plastic is surprisingly softer than I expected. Once you get a few strokes in, the blade warms up and the plastic actually starts melting much sooner than I expected it to. Man, you would think that this plastic is like soy based or something, but instead of petroleum. But anyway, I'm gonna continue to use this guy. This is a cheap little saw that came with the kit. Okay.